How's everybody doing today? I'm Judah Crime from Professional Trading Strategies, bringing you this week's CL Market Recap. Alright guys, we started off this week on Monday with a 10-tick loss. Right, the market was churning up here. You can see that the bulls were taking control of the market, drove it higher, back down. Nice fake out there. Almost got to target, but eventually stopped us out for a 10-tick loss. Not bad. Not a bad risk at all. Market then got very climactic. Went into this pennant shape. And one would expect it to generally break higher. Market fakes a little high. Collapses with a fake out below these lows. Market comes back. You'd expect it to now go test this area right in here. It does, but it doesn't get to our target at 2 to 1. Generally, you would like to move the target down when you see that, but for the sake of this recap, following the letter of the law, this trade was a 16-tick loss. Now, it's debatable whether some traders, when they're trading a strategy, would advise a discretionary stop below this candle because of the big wick, and because you have to imagine this candle was all the way up here at one time, and the bears were able to drive it down that far. So one could argue for a stop movement to the low of that candle, in which case it'd be break even. But so far as 26 ticks down, we came back with a nice entry right in here. We're able to get out before the close for a 15-tick win. We actually wound up 11 ticks down on that day. Fast forward, we've got a ascending triangle break. Nice 27-tick win there. So far we are up 16 ticks on the week once we got to that trade. That was all wiped out on this trade right here. We had a really long trend. Expected at least a momentary, another thrust through on this flag right in here. Consolidation didn't happen. That's how it rolls. So we wound up 2 ticks down the week after Tuesday. Alright, 19 ticks down here. 21 ticks down after this trade. Now, let me explain a little bit of the reasoning on this trade. We had bulls taking control here. Little short bear thrust. Bull thrust was short. Expected a fake out and at least a return up into here. We got that right in here, so it was worth the second stab. First stab, 19. Second stab, 40. So total for the week after this 40-tick win was 19 ticks of profit. Another break-even trade here to round out the day, and we progressed to Thursday. Thursday's trading was very, very, very good. 21 ticks up on the week. We then racked another 19 ticks up on the week. Then we racked another 50 ticks. Just absolutely a stunning Thursday. Thursday's usually a great week to trade. Or I'm sorry, this was actually Friday, guys. Get my days mixed up. Let's see here. Our reasoning on this trade, you can see bear thrust. Bulls take control. Bears slowly regain that control, and they thrust it below all these swing lows right here. Fantastic breakout pullback trade right in here with a stop above here. 18-tick win. Happened again after a strong bear thrust. Another good trade. 50 ticks of profit, add that onto the 19, that's 69. Subtract commissions on the week, we're looking at about 65 ticks of profit. So one of our better weeks. I would say average, we're usually around 400. But, just a fantastic week. And this is only one of our strategies. This is our with the trend strategy. There were a few really good, market reversals. Let me see if I can find one. Right here we had an overshoot in which this market shot up climactic. That was early in the morning. Really nice trade in here. As we had this weak market climb up here. Could barely get there. That was a really good trade in there for our reversal systems. But yeah, this was a great week. Wound up at 65 ticks of profit after commissions, so not bad at all. I hope your trading week was just as good, guys. Here at Professional Trading Strategies, we're traders ourselves. I throw out these educational videos just because, it's a passion of ours, to educate you guys on how to trade and, actually make money at this because, a lot of us, we went through the trading gauntlet ourselves, bought numerous indicators, numerous courses, et cetera, and let me tell you, most of them out there, they don't work. But I thank you guys for watching, and just to let you guys know, we have a workshop coming up on February the 8th. That's a Saturday. You can visit our website at www.professionaltradingstrategies.com. And just under the video on the home page, you will find a link to the webinar sign up, and it's $99. Now, you're probably wondering why it would be so cheap if we're offering, a free education. Well, that course there is more, or that workshop rather, is more of an advanced workshop. We feel $99 is just enough so that we get compensated, but we get to, give you guys our trading knowledge. And you guys are basically getting a preview, or a synopsis rather, of our whole course. And you're getting a lot of the inside knowledge. Now, we're not giving you, any of the, the PDFs or anything, but you guys are welcome to, after the workshop, if you have any questions, go ahead and email us. We want to help cement that information that you learn. The workshop's going to be on finding professional support and resistance, and I feel that this is a really important part of the market because a lot of people look at support and resistance in a rather old-fashioned way. Support and resistance has sort of evolved over the last little bit, and they're starting to use areas that you wouldn't really expect, but they're just as good as these old areas that we're used to seeing. And sometimes they're like a brick wall, but most of the time they're more or less just in the way, and you can pattern your trading style off of the support and resistance. That's a lot of what we did here this week on these with the trend trades. It just waited for price to break support resistance, these professional levels, and we knew that game was on. It was time to get with the trend. Until next week, guys. I'm Judah Kreinberg with Professional Trading Strategies. Trade smart, trade your plan. God bless, and have a great trading week.